Hey everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to highlight duplicate data in a column or row using Google Sheets. Let's get started. If you're using Google Sheets and you have a column of values, highlighting duplicates is quite simple. Here, we have some example data starting in cell A1. The starting point is important for our formula, so if your data begins elsewhere, you'll need to adjust accordingly. We're going to use conditional formatting to highlight duplicates. To do this, click on Format in the menu and then select Conditional Formatting. This will open a dialog box on the right side of your screen. Now, click on the Format Rules. And scroll down, and select Custom Formula is option. Next, let's enter our custom formula. First, make sure you highlight the range you want to check, or type it manually if needed. The formula we'll use is equals COUNTIF AA, A1 greater than 1. Once you typed, this formula checks if each value in column A appears more than once. This works because Google Sheets evaluates the formula for each cell, adjusting it from A1 to A2, A3, and so on. So if a value appears more than once in the column, it will be highlighted. Finally, click Done, and that's it. You've successfully highlighted every occurrence of duplicate values in your column. It's that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.